Sophia, why should Nigeria and South Africa care about each other? We are different people.
Jatala uncle, difference doesn't mean divided. Africa is one body. If one part suffers, the rest do too. We are all family in Africa.
This young girl sees what many of us ignore. Unity isn't about borders. It is about standing together. Sophia, you are right. We are all family in Africa. Africa is one body. Africa's strength is in its diversity. Together, we will rise. For the sake of our children, like Sophia, we must build a united Africa.
And I'll be there to lead the way.
When we look beyond borders, language, and tribes, we see a united Africa, one voice, one people. Let's work together to create the future we dream of.